Hi everyone, my name is Parag Pal and welcome back in my new video. In this video, I am going to explain you how you can solve this type of numerical in which you need to identify the area of steel, right? So let's solve this numerical. This type of numerical definitely comes in your examinations and this will give approximately 6 to 7 marks. Okay, so the numerical is the beam is 300 mm and 500 mm effective size. So see, you need to identify the given database first. So you have some given data which is 300. Let's consider this is the small b. So this is the 300 mm. Okay, and small d which is the 500 mm. Why 500 mm as small d and small b? Because it is a effective size, not a overall size. If it is the overall size, then this b should be b become capital B and overall size of depth become the overall d. But now you have the effective d, it means excluding the clear cover, right? Now it carries a factored bending moment. You already have the factored bending moment, right? It means you already have mu equals to md, which is a factored bending moment, which is, you can say, 175 kilonewton always in meter. So this is a representation of moment, right? If the concrete M20 and steel grade is Fe 500, so you have the material specification too. So the concrete is having M20, so you have FCK, okay, is equals to 20, right? And this is Newton per mm square. And steel grade you have Fy, which is 500 Newton plus mm square. So from where you got this? So M20 is a 20 over there. So I got this 20 here, which is FCK. Okay. And for the Fe 500, I got this 500 over here. Okay. Which is strength. Now let's calculate the steel. So once you identify the given database, you need to jump to the rest of the thing, such as the first one is the step number 1. You need to find the limiting moment. Okay, mu limiting. So whenever you are calculating the limiting moment, okay, so the mu limiting is equals to, there is a formula 0.133 FCK BD square. Now you need to put all the value which is available with you. So 0.133, what is the value of FCK is 20, B value you have 300 and the D value you have 500, and make a square of this. So you will get the value which is 199.5, okay, into 10 raised to power 6. So this has become Newton into mm. Now let's convert this into the kilonewton. So it become 199.5. So 10 raised to power 6. So let's convert it into kilonewton into meter. So this is what the limiting bending moment you have, right? If you solve this one, you will get 1 marks basically, right? Now always let's understand, guys, since you have factored bending moment, okay, at the top, which is md you have, now you need to make the comparison with md and your limiting moment. So your md and your limiting moment, okay, which is greater? So limiting like your md is 175 and limiting is 199.5. What does it mean? Your limiting moment is greater than your factored bending moment. So thus it means that this section, okay, so this section is, okay, is under reinforced. Understand? So this is a situation that this section, whatever you are going to design, okay, it is the under reinforced. Now you need to go for the calculation of steel, area of steel, which is calculated by formula called AST. So this is a very important and very good formula. So the formula is 0.5 FCK upon Fy, right, in bracket 1 minus under root of 1 minus 4.6 into MD divided by FCK BD square, and you need to multiply this by B into D, right? Now let's put all the value in this formula. So 0.5 FCK value is 20 divided by 500 in bracket 1 minus under root of 1 minus 4.6. The MD value is 175 into 10 raised to power 6, because now you can see we are converting this kilonewton into meters function. Okay, that's why, because we do have the everything in the mm, right? That's why we are converting everything in the mm. So that's why we put 10 raised to power 6, or because we do have it is in the kilonewton into meter, we are converting into the newton into mm, right? So that's the reason I have added 10 raised to power 0.6 over here, right? Now then write FCK. What is the value of FCK? It is 20. What is the value of B? Is 300 mm, and what is the value of D? Is 500 mm to the power. What is value of B? Is 300 multiplied by 500, right? Got it? Now let's solve this numerical. So you will get the AST, which is the motive of this numerical. So you will get this 957.94 mm square, right? So this is the solution of this numerical. You got it? So this is a very simple numerical which I have explained to you, and I hope this kind of numerical will help you to grow your knowledge. If you wanted to download this kind of, or not download, to read these notes, you can visit my website, okay, www.civilnotes, okay, civilnotes.com, right? And please subscribe my YouTube channel, which is Parag Pal. Okay, have a nice day. Bye bye.